So I made this cap, and this is my inspiration for today, blue and white. I also paired it with this satin off the shoulder one sleeve top and these cute embellished jeans with jean multicolor shoes and bag. Let's create this look. Guys, I'm in my dressing room getting ready, and I have this top. So like a satin top off the shoulder, and I'm pairing it with these jeans that my daughter got me. I love them. It's the embellishment jeans upon jeans. I love stuff like that. Let me show it full length. Relaxed fit, love, love, love. And I'm going to wear these shoes that picks up the different colored jeans here, and also I'm going to wear this bag. So let's create this look. So I washed my hair last night, and the roots are dark. It needs to get colored and retie. And I made this hat so ingenious. I bought this. I bought a blue and a brown. Of course, my daughter stole the brown already. But I bought seeds, which is a pearl, and I add them to it. So I'm gonna wear this hat to tie in my old outfit of white and blues together. Let's try this on. So let me just top up my lipstick. And last but not least, my glasses. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Do you like this hat? I should tighten it. I need to tighten a little bit. All right, let's see. Let's see. Yay. Beautiful. Love, love.